Sam here from the Genuine Futures family here in Salford. Big city Salford, and joining me today is Gill, Declan's mum. We're to say hello, Gill, to everybody.
It's a pleasure to be here and to be here with Sam so I can tell some more of Declan's story and his journey.
Well, Declan's story and his journey from hood up. In this room, he was here, turned up with his hood up, head down. I think Declan had actually lost trust with services. He said he'd been let down before in the past.
Yeah, Sam.
You know, what we've seen just these last 3-4 weeks, what has actually happened to Dec's life? What was the moment that ignited that spark, Gill, for Declan? I know David from Entrepreneurs Unlocked was here on that day doing the self-employment, how to start a business and stuff. And we know the help from Mike as well and the rest of the team. What has happened for Declan?
Declan's motivated. People believe in him. He now believes in himself. He's seen it. He believes it and he's achieved it. Because of Genuine Futures, Mike from Boss Your Future and Dave Morgan.
It is all about believing in young people, giving them the empowering belief. It is,
Sam.
I think a lot of the time, and young people just need somebody to believe in them, and that's what Genuine Futures, why it's been established, because with our own lived experience and being failed by the system, we see potential in young people, and instead of being spoken down to, we need to have some more compassion with them and actually build connections and to lift them up. But just tell the audience, Gill, what has Declan been doing with his business, Mottershead Metals and Movers.
Yeah.
Mottershead's Metals and Movers. What's he been doing?
Declan's out of bed early in the morning, ready to go. He's eating his breakfast. He's not done that for a long time. He even missed breakfast. He's now going out to the public, to the people, knocking on businesses, asking, do you have any scrap metal? Can I help your business in any way? With a lot of positive feedback. Some, they've all got their own contracts, but he's out in the morning, he's back at home, evening time.
But you've also secured a regular weekly collection from Recycle IT. That's been fantastic, hasn't it, that?
Yeah.
So that's regular income now coming in every week. And also, we're going over to EMR in Liverpool next Thursday. Exciting. So we want to thank Barry and the team at EMR.
Thank you, Barry.
Thank you,
EMR.
Yeah, thank you, Barry. And I think that's going to be a real big eye opener, because they've also said that they will teach Dec how to get more for his scrap.
It's a great opportunity for Declan to see such a large business, and they've got lots in all over Europe.
It's been such a pleasure, Gill, to work with Declan,
Sam.
And it's just the beginning, really. We're at the business end of the programme now. We've done all the playing out, we've done all the classroom work. It's now in the community. That's where the difference makes a change, doesn't it? And
actions,
and we will be there every step of the way. We walk with young people. We don't just talk, we walk with them and we help them.
Yeah. Definitely.
Well, thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Genuine Futures.
Really appreciate it. And Mike, the team, we've got a wonderful team.
We are
passionate. Yeah. And we're also looking forward to you getting stuck in more on the volunteering side. It's inspired you too, hasn't it?
It's really inspired me. Yeah.
So we're really, really looking forward to it. And
we're
exciting.
We're excited. We're focused.
And we're excited and we're focused. We really are. We're focused. We're passionate. We're positively minded. But we've got a big event on Saturday.
Saturday at Asda.
In Farnworth.
Thank you, Asda.
Thank you, Asda, in Farnworth. And we're going to be doing some fundraising in the store.
We are.
And we're going to be engaging with young people to tell them what we're going to be telling them about our new programme in
Bolton.
Boss Your Future is
Boss
coming
Your
to
Future.
Bolton, so we're really excited about that too, aren't we, Jill?
Oh, great time, Sam.
And we've
Great
also,
atmosphere.
yeah,